Hello everyone, so today I'm going to show you guys how you can wear your makeup under a mask. I know makeup is something that's fun and everything, but this is something that makes us feel a little better, during these times. So why not? And yeah, so let's get started with the video. So first thing, I have already done my skincare. Make sure you apply SPF. Here I'm just patting on my primer. I'm going to link all of the products below, so make sure you check them out. Then I am just setting my primer with a translucent powder. This is very important, so make sure you do that. And then I'm applying a setting spray. This is a mattifying setting spray, and just letting it dry, and then I'm going on with my foundation. First I apply it with my fingertips, and then I blend it out with my Makeup Perfector. This is from YBP and I really like this. So that's what I'm doing. I'm sorry if you can hear dogs barking in the background. It's actually 3 in the morning and I'm recording this voiceover. So then I'm setting my face, with the same translucent powder all over my face. Actually, but this time I was using the Maybelline one, the Maybelline loose powder. I'm setting all over my face, using the powder all over my face, and then I am doing my brows. I am back with my favorite brow product. This is from Sugar Cosmetics, and first I'm brushing out my brows. You can see they are a little sparse because I recently did them, and yeah. That's a little expression from me. So that's what I'm doing, just filling in my brows, just going very natural with it. So yeah, it looks very sparse on camera. I promise you it is not this sparse, but I'm just doing it, keeping it natural but still filling those gaps in, and yeah, just doing my brows. Makeup is something that can make you instantly lift you up. That's what is very much needed right now. So yeah, and I'm sorry if this tutorial is too long for you. I like teaching you guys. So yeah, then with mascara, like I have cleared off the one very nicely. I'm just setting the brows slightly. I did not have brow gel. If you have brow gel or clear transparent mascara, you can use that. I'm dusting off all of the powder that I used on my face earlier, like to set my face, just dusting off anything that's in excess. So that's what I'm doing. Again, setting my face. Now this time I will not take the setting spray on the areas where the mask will be sitting on my face. So I'm applying it everywhere but not on the area where the mask will be sitting, and I'm just applying some again some powder and there you go. It was all over my phone. So I'm contouring my face just to add a little definition, little color to my face. So I'm using these two shades and going it obviously on the jawline and having the double chin and cheekbones and all of that. So it's very basic, it's very simple, just applying on the areas where I would like a little bit of depth. So that's what I'm doing, just under the jawline, forehead, then just my nose. This adds a beautiful color to your face. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Then again, I'm setting the areas where I'm not going to put the mask. Don't put setting spray on the area where you'll be like wearing the mask. Then I'm just blending it all out, rather setting all of it with my damp beauty sponge that I have been using since the beginning of this video, of this tutorial. Then I'm using this banana powder from the same palette as the contour one, and I'm not using concealer today because the foundation I used was very high coverage. So I'm using this just to just mattify the area, because I'll be going on with a little bit of eyeshadow after this. So just setting the eyes and everything and just giving it some colors, brightening up. So I'm going to use the shade, and I'm using a slightly fluffy brush, blending brush, and I'm following my eye shape and trying to just put it towards the outer corners and just add some color, some depth, some definition to my eyelids. As you can see, I'm mixing these two colors. It's a peach color and the other one is slightly browny mauvey color. So I'm mixing these two colors and adding some color to my eyelids I don't want it to look very, like over the top, but I want some definition. I definitely want to, feel a little glamorous, because that's what, acts as a lift me up during these times. And blending is the key. You see this for like, it took me at least like 10 or 15 minutes to blend both my eyes. So obviously I can't show you the entire process, the video will be too long, but please blend. I'm also taking it under my eyes, just making it look like it's my natural skin color. That's what I'm going for right now. So just keep on blending till you get your desired results. I'm taking this color, this plummy color. I'm not applying eyeliner or anything. I'm using this, slanted brush. Actually, it's a straight brush. I'm going to just draw a little bit of eyeliner, around. That's what I'm doing. And I don't want something very harsh, but I want something that looks very, again, natural, but again has definition and all of it. And with a pencil brush, I'm just, clearing out any harsh edges, anything. So yeah, it's going to look very pretty at the end of this. So now I'm curling my lashes. Very important when you don't do a lot to your eyes. Make sure you curl your lashes, apply lots of mascara. So that's what I'm doing over here, curling my lashes. Okay, it's raining outside, guys. I'm really sorry if you can hear anything in the background. And then I'm applying mascara. This mascara was a little clumpy, by the way. So yeah, but it worked well. It worked really well, but I think mine, I need to just discard this right now because it was getting a little clumpy. But I really like this mascara. And yeah, and I'm just now clearing out and separating the lashes, because you can see my mascara had got a little clumpy. So you can always go with a Q-tip and earbud if you feel like you have clumpy lashes. And I'm doing the same on the lower lashes as well. Just opening up the lashes, opening up the eyes. And you can see the eyeliner looks so beautiful yet so soft. This look is amazing. Now I'm using this blush. What I did, it's not in the video. I actually mixed up all three colors and just started applying it on my face. Just applying a little bit of blush again, adding a bit color on my cheeks. It looks very youthful, very like not just youthful, it looks very fresh, and it just looks very lifted. So that's what I'm doing. I applied on my nose, actually almost all over my face, a little bit. Then with a clean brush, I'm taking out all of the excess powder from these areas where I'll be wearing the mask. So that's what I'm doing, trying to keep it like very natural looking. So yeah, then again I'm applying setting spray, but I'm again not putting it on the area where the mask will be sitting. You can see over here. In that way, the makeup will start transferring. So make sure you don't apply it on the area where you wear a mask. And then with the compact powder, I'm actually applying a lot of powder on the area where the mask will be sitting, because that is very important since I've applied, kind of foundation, this and that. So yeah, just doing that. Now I'm going with this lip liner from K Beauty, guys. I love this. It's such a beautiful color and this does not transfer. I actually wanted to just go with the lip liner, but then I wanted to show you a lipstick option as well. So I love this lip liner. They have amazing shades, by the way. I was really stunned. I love this color. It's so pretty. So yeah, you can just wear this. This does not transfer, but I'm going on with a lipstick. This is also very, matte, transfer proof. So there you go. Looks very pretty. Love the color, and you can wear them separately, but this is how I like wearing them. And this lipstick in general is a very beautiful color. It's not that deep. So yeah, doing that. So that's with the look. See, the lipstick does not transfer, and even on your mask there'll be a slight bit of powder and all, but the transfer won't be very like something that you will be worried about. It's a slight bit of transfer, but then at the end of the day, it's makeup, it's fun, and it's to just make you feel nice. So yeah, that's with the look, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See? So yeah, bye guys. Take care, stay safe, and stay inside. Love you all. Bye bye.